day, everybody. What here?
That guy.
See this, ladies and gentlemen? We're on the river. Little $50 boat we bought.
Patched up like a motherfucker.
Patched it up. I'd like to welcome you all to Joshua's Fishing. Hi, jokes. Joshua's Fishing really chiefed out of me. But yeah, we're all casting here. Funny thing is, we're all using the same bitchin' rod.
I got one.
Which, ooh, we got a catcher. My sister caught one. Okay, reel it in, sis. Show, ladies and gentlemen, show the fish. Bring it this away. Bring it this away. Hurry up. Ooh, that's a big one. No, that's a jack. It's a huge fucker too. Woo, nice. Okay, bring it to the front. Let bro grab it. Fortunately, we got no nets at this time. That was funny, bro. Got bitch slapped.
Holy fuck, man.
Turn around, Sarah. Give thumbs up.
That's fucking funny.
Bitch slap, and I got that on camera. I do believe I got that on camera.
Hey guys, there's one thing here. Yeah,
Did he swallow it?
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Oh no, don't kill him.
I'm not gonna kill him. I'm gonna push it out.
Operation.
That's because it's
Operation. Here, Sarah. Close up of Operation. Operation.
Give it to Josh, he knows how to operate.
I got it. I'm just trying to pull it away from his fucking mouth in the back. Then I'm gonna hook it again. Hold this up. Pull it straight out.
And there you have it. He's been operated. See, catch and release, guys. That's how we are.
Go. Oh, what are you doing? You're supposed to watch the fish go. Sarah, you killed the whole point is watching him release the fish. Okay, well come on, catch another one. Fish away, you guys.
Alright.
Amazing. We caught a fish. Not even trying. I just started recording. My sister catches one. On Meadow Lake River.
My first fish on a boat.
My second fish on the boat.
$50!
What's up, bro?
What's up, Jamin?
That's the way things work.
You can't.
Shit like enough, Dory.